this video, I have a new wig to share with you, and this is the box right here. This is how it came shipped in this box here. Now it did ship DHL, so it didn't come just like this. It came in this DHL mailer, and this is the box that our wig is in. Now this is from Queen Original Hair. Now they have an official website where you can shop and an Amazon store as well. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this unit here. Now what I have for you today is a Brazilian 13x4 lace front wig, and it is in the kinky curly texture. So we're gonna see what this is talking about. Now inside you do get the wig, and this is the package that is in, and they do send you some beige wig caps, which is always a plus. I love all those wig caps, but I am so partial to my brown ones, girl. I've been wearing the same brown for a while, just wearing it on out, girl. Yes, I love my brown. It just works better for me, but I love the beige wig caps too. They work perfect. You know how it is when you find something that you like and you just like what you like, okay? So this is the hair here. It comes bagged just like this, okay? Now inside the bag is our wig, and she is in a hair net, okay? To keep the hair all together nice and neatly, okay? Yes. All right, so we're gonna take her little stuffing out. And I'm gonna show you the inside of the cap. Pretty standard lace wig here, ear to ear, 13x3, a bunch of lace space. Now it is pre-plucked as well, which is great. Look at that. I love a wig that comes pre-plucked, but most companies today, they are coming pre-plucked, so we don't have to worry about plucking these units and possibly balding our units. I hate it. See girls on YouTube talking about, I'm gonna pre-pluck my wig. Girl, they done plucked so much, look like the hairline is receding on the wig. Like, child, you ought to be ashamed of yourself for doing that to that beautiful wig. But this is the hair. It is beautiful. This is the kinky curly texture, and I have it in 18 inches. Ooh, this one's really, really pretty. I can't wait to put this one on. I can't wait. Now, as you see, you do have a comb at the top, 2 temple combs, 1 at the back, and you do get some adjustable strap and a little lace in the back for some updos should you want to do that. But you know, I don't never do no updos with my wigs. But the hair feels good, it looks good. Let's go ahead and do the smell test. Doesn't smell like anything weird, stanky, funky, odd, none of that. Nice, pleasant smell. Loving this already, honey. This is already giving me thrills and feels, girl. Loving the hair. So beautiful. I love the way it feels. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it put on. I'm so excited for this, as I love, love, love kinky curly units. They're so easy to wear. Very, very easy to wear. Low maintenance units as well. But girl, she's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace and be back with her on. So I am back with the unit on my head. I just defined the part, and I just went in with my Luster's little stick here. It's like a wax stick. They call it the slick stick. To kind of define the part, just put a little of this on either side of the part. And I did kind of rub a little down to the length of the hair to give it a little more moisture and shine. But other than that, I do like this unit. It does look really, really, really natural. Needs a little more product on it to further define the curls in the front, because this is how it'll look once you've, you know, pulled it apart to define your part or figure out where you're going to wear it. It's going to get a little, you know, bushy because you're pulling the curls apart. But let me go ahead and show you the back. But the unit itself is just so nice. I'm loving the hair length. I love the density of this unit. The fit is perfect. Now this is 150% density. Let me show you the back. Very, very nice. Really, really natural looking. I do love this one. So cute. Like I said, it just needs a little more product on the ends of the hair to further define those curls, girl. But it is Really, 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 really good. Now I will sew an elastic band inside to give it a little more security because it is big head friendly, and I do find that it's a little loose. So with the help of a band, I don't have to glue it or tack it down, and it will fit amazingly perfect. So yeah, I do like this. Very, very natural looking. So cute. Let me know what you think of this unit. I am totally feeling it. This one's a go for me. I love it. But should I decide to glue this down, I'm going to show you what glue I use when I glue my wigs down. This is Ghost Bond. I really, really like the hold of Ghost Bond, and it is easy to use. And I just picked this up from Amazon, okay? So all the links to this unit will be down below in the description box. So don't skip over that description box. Check it out. All the information and anything you might want to know is going to be down below in that description box. So check it out, okay? Yes, this wig looks so much like natural hair. This is so beautiful. Loving this. OMGG. That is it for me. Be sure to let me know what you think of today's new wig. Is this a yay or a nay? Can you see yourself rocking this one? But be sure to check out the description box to click those links down below to get yourself hooked up with this unit should you love it. I love it. I think it's really, really nice. It gives me that natural hair look that I love. I do love this texture. I love the length. So pretty. And I just ran through it with a little bit of Eco Styler gel to define the curls quickly so it can look nice for the video, okay? But yeah, I mean, if you have natural hair and if you want something different just to protect your hair, this is the perfect unit for that. Perfect protective style. Really feeling this one. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.